Yeah, my name is Preston Smith. I'm the president of CDDI, Corporate Due Diligence and Investigation. We're a risk intelligence agency with due diligence processes and also detective services. I'm together with longtime compatriot, friend, expert, Dr. Habilitator Tomasz Stuczyński. And our presentation today was on hyperspectral technology, how you can use that in the due diligence process. The advantages of it, it's a brand new technology where we can use drones or flyovers, but drones is actually in some ways optimal, where in the past what you were limited to were maybe 4 channels of information. Well, thanks to the cameras and thanks to the algorithms that are involved, we can bump that up to 400. So you combine the imaging, you combine the 400 channels of information, and the fact that each object, and we're talking about down to what?
2 square centimeters.
2 square centimeters has a different spectral signature. And so when you combine this, you can actually get information that was not feasible before on the scale. So you have a site, and what you will see, you could see anything from environmental issues to land contamination to heat leakages. I mean, it's an extremely diverse technology.
It's like a fingerprint of an area. And the value of it is that you can pull out a lot of useful information on things like surface contamination, cracks in the surface, waste storage,
spatial
heat leaks.
Spatial mapping.
And even if you cannot interpret all the information today, then, as we said, it's a fingerprint. And if anything changes in the future, then you can come back, scan the area again, and identify spots where the changes occurred.
And what is actually kind of mind-boggling about it, which is one of the reasons why we wanted to go in this direction, is the accuracy. It can be rated, it'll take a while to explain this, but you can say 76% accuracy. Now, that's not 100%, so it's not the same as the guys in the field that are doing a borehole drilling. But think about it, they're in one tiny spot. You have an entire area, and so you can actually map out that area, see the hot spots, see the changes, say it's a factory site or even a real estate residential site, and then if you see these hot spots, yeah, you can go back and do some borehole testing, you can do some spot checks, but this will tell you first of all where, and to tell you the truth, if you're in the process of, say, a pre-transaction discussion, that first fingerprint may be very indicative to what the seller is really telling you. How much are they fibbing when it comes to the information they're providing?
Yeah, with this you don't have gaps, because drilling, which is still very relevant, but it's just a point information. Whereas here you have spatial continuum. So the whole area is covered, and if you have good field data, then you can interpret and use this field data to calibrate your spectral data. And by this you can have a coverage of a given property for the whole area. Plus, we can also produce a very accurate 3D model of the site. Sometimes in pre-transaction phase, there's no, in particular if this is an old factory, you don't have this 3D model. We can capture this very efficiently in a short time.
And what does that mean? That means ammunition to negotiate.
Yeah, it gives you a huge competitive advantage, a real edge.
Yeah, in the negotiation phase. So anyway, thanks a lot. We appreciate it. It's a great event, and looking forward to the gala tonight.
Yes. Have fun.